This video game was created completely from scratch, without using complicated programs and without writing a single line of code. For a long time, I wanted to create my own video game, but every time I researched how to do it, I found the same barriers: difficult tools, overly technical processes, and the need to learn programming. It seemed like creating a video game was something reserved only for people with development experience. However, everything changed when I discovered a tool that allowed me to turn a simple idea into a functional video game in a much more accessible way. The most important part was not programming. It was planning the game correctly and giving clear instructions to the artificial intelligence. That is why in this video I will show you step by step how to create your own video game from scratch, even if you have never programmed before. We will build a 2D game where you can control a character, fight different enemies, and use attacks to defeat them. And if you want to try this program while following the tutorial, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Now, let's start creating our video game. Step 1. Develop your idea and explain it clearly to AI. The first step is to define your video game idea and explain it clearly to the AI. This is probably the most challenging part of creating a video game with AI. Having a general idea is a good start, but you need to describe it properly so the AI can understand what you want to create. You should explain the type of game, the main character, the objective, the enemies, and the basic gameplay mechanics. The clearer your instructions are, the easier it will be to make changes or add new features later. For example, I enjoy platform games and simple 2D games. That is why my idea is to create a 2D platformer about a clown who must rescue his clown girlfriend from an evil circus. Once you have defined your basic idea, you can use ChatGPT to develop it further and create a more detailed prompt for Base 44. Simply explain what you have in mind and include as many important details as possible. ChatGPT can then organize your idea and turn it into a clearer and more complete prompt. For my game, I explained that I wanted a 2D platformer set inside a circus. The player would need to fight 3 different bosses, but for now, we will only create the first level. The first boss will be the strongman. Our clown will have 2 different attacks to defend himself and move through the level. The first is a gun that shoots the word POW, and the second is a large boxing glove for close-range attacks. The main objective of the game will be to defeat the enemies and rescue the clown's girlfriend. After ChatGPT generates the complete prompt, copy it and paste it directly into Base 44. The platform will then begin creating the first version of your video game. Remember, this first version does not need to be perfect. At this point, you only need to check whether the AI understood your idea and created the basic gameplay you had in mind. For example, I liked the first version of my game because it followed my main concept, but some parts still felt too simple. That is completely normal. In the next step, we will improve the characters, attacks, enemies, and overall design. We will also begin creating the second level by following the same process we used in this step. Step 2. Fix bugs and improve the game. Now that we have the first version of the game, the next step is to test it, fix any bugs, and continue developing the story. In my case, I was happy with the first version, so I returned to ChatGPT and explained how I wanted the second level to work. However, while testing the game, I found an important problem. After defeating the strongman in the first battle, the game became stuck and did not continue to level 2. This is a good example of something you may experience while creating a game with AI. The first result may look good, but some mechanics or transitions may not work correctly. This tutorial is not meant to be followed click by click. Instead, it is a guide that shows you how to build a game by explaining your ideas to the AI, testing the results, and correcting the problems you find. To fix the bug, I simply described exactly what was happening. I explained that after defeating the strongman, the battle should end and the player should automatically continue to the next level. The AI then updated the game and corrected the transition. After fixing the problem, I continued testing the game from the beginning. This is very important because every time you add or change something, you should confirm that the previous levels still work correctly. Once level 2 was working, I started planning the final level. For level 3, the clown must face the owner of the circus and finally bring the story to an end. I explained the setting, the final battle, the characters involved, and then I added those instructions to Base 44 and tested the new version. During this process, Base 44 generated another error, but after reviewing the problem and giving the AI a clear explanation, it was able to correct it. In the final battle, the strongman and the magician the two enemies we fought in the previous levels, decide to join us and help defeat the circus owner. After winning the battle, the clown rescues his girlfriend, reunites with the other circus performers, and everyone celebrates together. Finally, the game displays the ending credits. I really liked this conclusion because it connected all the characters and gave the story a proper ending. Once you have tested every level, corrected the bugs, and confirmed that the complete game works correctly, you are ready to move on to the final step. Step 3. Publish and share your game. Once you are satisfied with the final result, the last step is to publish and share your game. Whether you created a game for mobile devices or for the web, you can use Base44 to review the project and check whether everything is ready for publication. The platform can help you identify what has already been completed and which elements may still need attention before preparing the game for iOS or Android. This gives you an opportunity to review the project one final time, fix any remaining problems, and confirm that the game works correctly on different screen sizes. For this tutorial, we will publish the game as a website. This is one of the easiest ways to share your creation because your friends, colleagues, or viewers can play it directly from their browser without downloading large files or installing additional programs. To publish the game, simply open the publishing section in Base44. From there, you can review and customize the web address for your game. Choose a name that is simple, easy to remember, and related to your project. Once everything is ready, publish the game and open the generated link. And that is all you need to do. Your game is now available online, and anyone with the link can open it and start playing. You can also continue improving the project later by adding new levels, characters, enemies, or gameplay mechanics. But for now, we have successfully planned, created, tested, fixed, and published our first video game using AI. And that is how you can create your own video game from scratch using Base44. Creating this game was a really fun and interesting experience because I was able to take a simple idea and gradually transform it into a complete adventure with characters, enemies, boss battles, different levels, and a proper ending. The most surprising part was seeing how the game improved every time I gave the AI clearer instructions. And you can start your own game by following the same 3 simple steps. First, think of your game idea and explain it clearly to the AI. Second, test the game, fix any bugs you find, and continue improving the characters, levels, and story. Finally, publish the game and share the link so other people can play it. Your first version does not need to be perfect. The important thing is to start with a simple idea, test the result, and continue improving it step by step. If you want to try Base44 and create your own adventure, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Once you finish your game, let me know in the comments what it is called and what the story is about. I would love to see the different ideas you create. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. My goal is to make these tools easier to understand and help you create your own projects, even if you do not have any coding experience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.